Today we are going to bike the Enola low-grade rail trail, and we're starting down south of the new Martic Forge trestle. So we're going to be covering that and then biking the whole way up to the Safe Harbor Dam, and there's a bridge there that we'll go over. I've never been to this before, so we'll see how it goes and see what we can find along the way. So we'll get started. Well, I can see the Safe Harbor Dam. We're about 3.2 miles into it, so we should be, I think we have about another mile left to go. So, see you soon. All right, this should be the Safe Harbor Bridge up here. So for 4.2 miles. All right, we are back. Didn't bore you with filming on the way back. I did include a little bit of the bridges on the way back, but that's about it. So it's a pretty good trail, very straight and pretty easy trail to do. All in all, it's a little over 9 miles round trip. So if you ever make it out this way, I'd give it a try. All right, we'll see you on the next one.